here, folks. Welcome back to Rayyan, where we decode the mysteries of programming. And sometimes live today we are diving into object-oriented programming, OOP, or as I like to call it, organizing our problems. Because let's face it, life without OOP is like my decks, messy, chaotic, and hard to debug. If you ever wondered why programmers love objects so much, well, it's because objects actually listen when we tell them to do things, unlike my cat, who still thinks my keyboard is a bat. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create instance, how to use methods, and most importantly, how to pretend like you forget it all, figure it out, just like me. So grab your cup of coffee, let's jump into the magical world of OOP, where the objects have all the properties and we just try to keep up. So let's start. Guys, in today's video of Python, I'm telling you we are understanding the OOP instance in Python. Like in the previous video, we understand about the classes in OOP. So now we are learning about the instance in OOP, means object-oriented programming, not OOP, okay? So, in object-oriented programming means in OOP, an instance is the specific object created from a class. Okay, class, not a classroom class that created from a class, Python class. A class acts as a blueprint, and the instance are the actually objects constructed using the blueprint. Each instance can have its own attributes and behaviors while sharing the methods defined in the class. Okay, now here's one code example to create and using the instance in Python. So let me show you this all code in my text editor. Okay, let me copy this all code and then let me minimize it. Let me open my Visual Studio Code to write a code of a Python. Okay, so let me open it. So to open it, you only click here your Visual Studio Code. If you don't have downloaded the Visual Studio Code, if you are seeing my video first time, so first of all go onto here and Google and search here Visual Studio Code download, and then click onto here. If you are on Windows, download on Windows. If you are Linux, download on Linux, or you on Mac, so download on Mac. I've already downloaded, so let me close it. Let me open my Visual Studio Code. Then let me open my new window. So I'm not telling you how to install a Python, how to install a pip, because this is not installing a Python video. This video is about the OOP instance. So I will be walk on my topic. So I'm click on the file to create a file, new file. Now I'm making a file. So whichever you give your file name, I'm giving my file name should be index.py. And where you make your file, this is your own choice where you will be make your file. I'm making my file on my documents, okay, because I love documents. Okay, so documents and create file. Should it saying me why you are saving this file? This file is already made it. Means index.py already exists. Do you want to replace it? If in that file there is not any such type of important work, so press yes. If in that file there is very important work, so press no and give the new name to a file. I'm pressing yes because in that file there is not any such type of important work. So I'm writing a code, so paste it. First of all, let me show you the all code. This is the all code we have written down. Here you can see it. Now let me explain you code. First of all, here we define a class and my class name is car. Here you can see it. Then here we define a def keyword, then init, then self, comma, make, comma, model, comma, year. Then here we in the 12 and 13 line we create an instance of a class Toyota Corolla 2020, Honda Civic 2021, or you give any car name and card name, okay, or any year you will be mentioned here. It is your own choice. Now here we access the instant attributes. First we output the 2020 Toyota Corolla first, and the second line we output our 2021 Honda Civic. Then in this line we modify our instance attributes and the output will become 2022 Toyota Corolla. Okay, this type of code I have written. Now save it and run it. So now it is giving me output 2020 Toyota Corolla, 2021 Honda Civic, 2022 Toyota Corolla. Why it is giving me 2022 Corolla, Toyota Corolla 2022? I do not write Toyota Corolla 2022 anywhere. But why it is giving me Toyota Corolla 2022? Because here we modify our instance attributes car1.here. If you write in car2, so now it give you in the car2 it give you, here you can see it, in the car2 it give me Honda Civic, okay, like that. So write car1, okay. So now it will give you, now when you write car2, if you want to print this in your car2, so write here car2. Then now it gives me a 2022 Honda Civic. Here you can see now it give you 2022 Honda Civic. So like that you will modify your instances and instance attributes like this. Okay, or you want to change the change your car name, so you will also change it like BMW, sorry, or Toyota. By the mistake I am writing Tokyo, Toyota Supra. Oh, no. I do not learn the car names, so that's why I don't know. Let me see BMW car names. So now it is giving me all models. So let me click it and I'm going to purchase these all cars. Okay. So now X1 now let me paste it and then I'm writing BMW. Now here I am writing like Audi. Now I am writing e-tron GT. When I grow up, so I will buy this car one time. Okay, so I am writing 2023 here and I am writing 2022 here. Sorry, 2024. 700. So now it give me 2023 BMW X1 SUF, 2024 Audi e-tron GT, then 2022 BMW sorry to give me 2022, I am writing it 2024. 700. So you can see it modify our instance attributes. So like that you can do it. Now let me open in my Word. Now key points in the example. First, class definition. The car class serves as a blueprint with an init constructed to initialize the attributes make, model, year. Okay. Number 2, instance creation. Car1 and car2 are instances of the car class, each with unique attribute values. Number 3, method and access. The display info method access and formats the attributes of instance it calls on. Number 4, attributes modification. Instance attributes can be modified independently. Let me know if you like to explore more OOP concepts like inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation. So tell me in the comment section below if you explore these. Okay. So but in today's video we understand about the OOP instance in Python, means, and we understand about the object oriented programming instances in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoyed, so please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future related videos about the Python, and go on to the Google and then search in my channel by the name of Rayyan, and then click on to my channel Rayyan, and when you open my channel from the Google, it is giving you the error. Now I will be solve my error, so now it not give you the error. So we uploaded our one latest video, variables and data types, so go and see it. Now come on to the playlist, come on to the Python tutorial with here you can see the playlist. Here we completed 170 videos very successfully. Yes, okay. This is a very longest Python course in the history of Python. I see that. Okay, so I hope you see my all videos from start to end of the Python, and I hope you enjoying this series. Okay, I hope that. But anyways, I meet you next class and next very amazing class like that our videos. So now for today, goodbye. Right, first, that's a verb on OOP instance. Remember, objects in programming are like people at a party. They all have unique properties and sometimes behave unexpectedly. Just Don't assign a method to the wrong person. Oops, I mean object. If you enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Rayyan, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite real life object that behaves arbitrarily spoiler minds my internet connection. Goodbye.